How to dress for a pre-wedding. Wouldn't it be nice if someone told you a few essential things to take care of before going for a pre-wedding shoot? For example, you should carry your shades, a flowing dupatta, your watch, or even a tiara to bring that extra edge to your shots. Dressing up for a pre-wedding is one of the most crucial parts of making the pre-wedding film. The look and the colors of your clothes have the ability to increase the possibility for photographers to be more creative and give your video a royal look while also depicting your personality. Step 1 will be the planning for the clothes that you will wear. This needs to start way before the shoot begins. Keep in mind the colors of the dresses for both the groom and the bride should go well together. This is done by making sure that the couple wears coordinated colors. Also, if the background has a lot of greenery, try to avoid wearing green clothes as they will merge. Wear contrasting colors like red, black, purple, white, etc. Step 2 is to make sure to have at least 4 types of dresses in a video. This will give a variety to the shoot. These dresses are of various types like a long tail gown, short dress, cocktail gown, lehenga, and something casual like a jumpsuit or a simple top and jeans. A dress that you must have is the long tail dress, which takes every pre-wedding film to the next level as it gives an edge to the photographer to take dynamic shots. If not purchasing the dresses, the option of renting them out is also there. Options are also available on our website www.videotailor.com. Step 3 is to make sure that whatever the bride wears, the groom also wears something that goes with what she's wearing. Like a gown will go well with a suit. A lehenga will go well with a kurta or a sherwani, and so on. This might seem obvious at first, but will make a world of a difference if done right, and pinch the eyes if it's not done in a correct manner. Step 4 is to get your clothes ironed before you come to the shoot, because there won't be any time for ironing on the shoot day, and unironed clothes will look extremely bad in the video. Step 5 is to make sure that a day before the shoot, the bride gets her hair blow-dried for a set look, so that on the day of the shoot, the makeup artist does not have to spend a lot of time fixing it. Also, your nails should be well maintained as videographers tend to take a lot of close-up shots. Also, don't spend a lot of time in makeup changes on the shoot day. Keep it quick. A good tip is to keep the makeup the same, just change the lip shade and the hairstyle to complement the new dress. Investing your time and energy on your clothes is really important because not only does it make the pre-wedding film look good, but also the photos that will be clicked is something that you will get framed at your house. We at VideoTailor hold expertise in making your pre-wedding look amazing and guiding you throughout the process so that you don't have to worry about anything and just focus on looking and feeling good.